Hey everyone, welcome back to Spectra Unbox. Today we're diving into the future of footwear with an unboxing of one of the most innovative sneakers. Feast your eyes on this masterpiece. The Balenciaga Track Lead Black is a sneaker like no other. This futuristic design combines sleek aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. And yes, it lights up. Let me show you. The all-black colorway is the perfect backdrop for these electrifying LED accents, making them an absolute showstopper. This intricate sole design mimics the movement of light, and the craftsmanship is just chef's kiss. If you're looking to make a bold statement, this is the pair to rock. Balenciaga has really outdone themselves with this one. The Track Lead Black isn't just a sneaker, it's a wearable piece of technology. Whether you're hitting the streets or just flexing your style, these kicks have you covered. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can I get my hands on these beauties without breaking the bank? That's where today's sponsor comes in, Reps Sneaker. Let me tell you, it won't hurt your wallet. And the best part? Their attention to detail is unmatched. From materials to craftsmanship, each pair is designed to mirror the original perfectly. Also, don't miss their New Year giveaway. It's running from December 25th, 2024 to January 8th, 2025. Here's what you could win. First prize, a free pair of Air Jordan 4 Seconds. Second prize, a free tracksuit. Third and fourth prizes, a 27 discount coupon. Good luck and Happy New Year to everyone entering. If you're ready to elevate your sneaker game, head over to Reps Sneaker. The link to their website, social media accounts, contact information, and more is right down in the description. You can snag these incredible Balenciaga Track LED Black sneakers and so much more. Trust me, you won't regret it. That's it for today's unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Spectra Unbox, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another unboxing adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.